In this video, we will show you how to use Slido in PowerPoint. If you guys want to get started with Slido, use the links in the description. First, open Google Chrome and search for Slido. Click on the first link to go to the official Slido website. On the Slido website, click on Login to sign into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the left side dashboard and click on PowerPoint. This will take you to the section where you can integrate Slido with PowerPoint. Click on Download to start downloading the Slido PowerPoint add-in. A prompt will appear. Click on Start Download. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file. If you are using a download manager like IDM, right-click on the file and select Open. In the installer window, click on Install to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts and then click on Finish once the installation is complete. Next, go to the taskbar and use the search bar to search for PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint from the search results. In PowerPoint, click on Blank Presentation to create a new presentation. You will now see a Slido tab in the PowerPoint menu. Click on Slido, then click on Login. Choose your account to log in. Once you are logged in, click on Create New Slido to start using Slido within PowerPoint. And that's it. You can now use Slido to create presentations in PowerPoint. So that is how to use Slido in PowerPoint. Use the links in the description to get started with Slido. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.